y'all, it's Jenna. Today I'm going to show you how to make ground beef flautas in the air fryer. We're going to need ground beef. I'm using this one, but use what you have. You can also choose to use store-bought taco seasoning mix or make your own, totally up to you. And lastly, we'll need refried beans. This is the Target brand, but any will do. And of course, we're going to need flour tortillas. This seemed to be a good medium size. So to start, warm your skillet and add about a tablespoon of olive oil, then add the ground beef. Break it up as it cooks. I like to do this using the backside of a wooden spoon. Once cooked through, add the taco seasoning mixture and stir together. Transfer the refried beans to a bowl just for ease of scooping. These refried beans were super fluffy and easy to spread. If yours aren't, just try popping them in the microwave for like 30 seconds or so and giving them a stir. And then spray cooking oil on your air fryer basket and let's assemble. Working one at a time, grab a tortilla and place it on a plate or a clean workspace. Spoon refried beans on top and spread out across one side. I didn't measure this exactly, but I'd say I used about 2 heaping spoonfuls for 8 flautas and ended up using the entire can. Before you get started, divide that cooked ground beef mixture into 8 portions or how many ever flautas you plan on making, and then transfer that portion on top of those beans. Roll it up and place same side down on your air fryer basket. You'll probably have to work in batches. I was able to fit 4 flautas on mine at a time, so I had to do 2 batches. Continue to form flautas and place seam side down on the basket, and then once you're ready to air fry, give them a final spray with that cooking oil over top. This will just help them get nice and crispy. Fry these at 350F for about 10 minutes. Keep an eye on them as all air fryers cook differently. Let's make some homemade guacamole. Carefully slice avocados, remove pit, then mash in a large mixing bowl. I'm using 3 today, but 2 is typically good. Add chopped tomatoes, about half a jalapeno diced, and diced red onion. Stir together with garlic powder, juice from half a lime, and salt. These air fried flautas are perfect dipped in the guac for a filling lunch or dinner. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, please leave a comment below letting me know what you think. I can't wait to hear from you. See you next time.